For this 10-minute tryout, I did a photo annotation. So what I did was I took a photograph and then I used the markup tool in Camera Roll, an iPad, and simply drew all over it. I used the I see, I think, I wonder technique so that I did it in 3 separate colors so that if I were to turn this into my teacher, they would see, what I think, and what I'm going to analyze from that image. It's really easy to do. It took me about 5 minutes, so easily fits in that 10-minute tryout period. Yeah, I think you'll enjoy it with your kids. Have fun. What comes next is the image that I started with. And here's my finished product. If you stick around, I'll do a screencast on how I got from beginning to end in the project.